Are you thinking about selling your business? Doug Coase and the team at Transworld Business Advisors are the premier business brokers of Knoxville and East Tennessee. Transworld is the largest business brokerage company in the world with 100 plus cooperating offices around the country. We love what we do and it shows. We have the reputation and knowledge to be your trusted business brokers of Knoxville. Our agents have been recognized for numerous awards, including 2019 and 2020 Best Local Business Brokerage Office. We sell all types of businesses at Transworld. We are committed to helping people buy and sell businesses in a fair, honest, and private manner, keeping the transaction confidential. The Transworld team offers each client loyalty, professionalism, and personal care that is required to complete a business sale. Whether you want to buy a turnkey business or are looking to sell your established company, choose Transworld and receive exceptional personalized service from start to finish. Get connected today with Transworld, the premier business brokers of Knoxville. Simply call 865-315-7327 or visit sellmyknoxvillebusiness.com.